So I'm doing just an unboxing on the actual item. It just came in from Best Buy. And I'm doing the unboxing with a super duper VR enthusiast or fan, which would be my daughter. And my cat, as you can see, who just passed by. And let me just take it out of the box. Does this come out? No. Okay, so you have to open it up here. This is just gonna be a look at, see what's inside. I'll do a couple of other videos on the actual item, let you know how I like it, how I don't like it. I think I'm gonna like it. I'm actually going to end up signing up for, they have the monthly plan right now. They give you 2 games to play. Now, I'm a little bit confused by that. I guess I gotta read more details about it. Will they be giving you those games for life or only for that month? And if you want, I'm assuming they're just gonna let you try it out for that month. For if you pay, I think you pay for the year, it comes up to about $5 a month. If you pay, you get, I guess, a trial period for 1 month, unlocked and everything, and then you can choose to buy it. I'm assuming that's the way it's working. I can't imagine them, the creators, being too happy if they were just giving the games away on a monthly basis. So we will see, and I don't know. I'm a regular person, just tries things out. And so this is to, I guess, to download the app, which we already have. This is everything here. Do you want to look? Cool, right? So this is the right handle. And I'll show you the one we currently use with the Quest 2, which I'm very happy with. It has the little thing here you pull out. I'll wait until I'm ready to play. So this will be, I think this is the right one. How do you like the controller? Let me just open it here and then I'll show it to you. Should it just be...
What is this?
How do you think you open this? Okay, interesting enough. This little piece here, you have to push it in and then the whole thing opens. It's not like the other one that you slide it open. So no, don't pull that out yet until we charge the headset fully, and then that way we'll get a full battery when we're ready to play.
Well, why can't we do that?
Because then the battery will activate and you'll be using it, and there won't be any reason to use it at this moment. Here, you go look at it, but don't pull on that tab, okay?
So
this is the left one.
Charge it.
It comes with batteries. It's not like the one we have. This is another one, see?
Where you charge it in the thing?
This is just, see the battery? We just replaced the battery. I don't think those are rechargeable. I guess we'll find out. I'm opening this up as a new person. I haven't looked at anything or just showing it. Hold on one moment. Hold on. How do you like the controllers compared to the ones we use?
I mean, they look more smoother. I like the.
You want to go get? You want to go get one of the other ones?
Here. It's
yeah,
like
it's pretty
one,
much
I guess
just.
it's more heavier. This one's more heavier. This one's more This one's more heavier. This one's more light. This one's more heavier. This one's more lighter. But this one.
Hold on one moment. Hold on. Let me just show something. So this is, I'm using the Quest 2 with the Quest, I forget, the Pro headset version, the $1,000 one. I'm using the controllers only. And I guess pretty much similar to each other. Here, except this one charges, and it has cameras. So here, can you charge this? This doesn't have any cameras, it's standard. Can you put this back to charge? Doesn't have any cameras, so it's not like the other one. So I might be swapping the controllers from the Quest 2 to the Quest 3. I'm not sure yet.
No, I want the controllers to stay.
Okay, hold on one moment. Let me just see what's in here. You can look at them. What is this? Okay, it comes with the charger. Hold on. No, not yet. Not until we show the people on YouTube. And this is going to be a USB and USB-C charger with USB-C cable. Can you get that measuring tape for me?
It weighs 1 pound, 0.1 pound.
Let's see. So we'll just measure this. And the cable that they give you is about 40 inches, over 3 feet long. White USB-C to USB-C. Okay. Some manuals and stuff. Let me see if there's anything. Let me just see. There's nothing else in here? Nope, nothing else. So let's just put this to the side for now. Like I told you, it comes with this charger. It's round. And just in case you're curious. Okay. You put this to the side, and then let's look at the actual headset. Can you get me this scale, please? So we're gonna weigh it.
Can I take that thing off?
Hold on one moment. Hold on. Let me just do it for online first, okay? So, well, no. Let me just show the. Hold on. Let me just show the people the whole headset. Hold on. So as part of the video, the alignment.
You can put your glasses in it.
Yeah, well, if you're gonna use glasses, I think you can remove this piece. Is that what it's saying? Yeah, I think it's to remove that piece. My son uses with glasses, the way it's set up, so he doesn't need to remove that at all, if that's what it's telling us to do. So let me take this out. Hold on. And then this is the headset and everything. With that, I don't want to take that out until we fully charge the actual device. So this is up close look at the actual device. And the charging will be here on the left side where the other one is also charged.
Oh.
Hold on.
Usually it's charged on the top.
And the, how do you adjust? The wheel here. So before you actually physically moved, I think in the Quest 2 we have to physically move the lens. With this, I think you use this wheel here. Hold on. I think I see it. Yep, it's moving. See it? Is that right? Yep, see it moving? Cool. So the wheel moves it back and forth.
Honestly, no sunlight unless and no liquid cleaners.
Yeah, don't use like Windex or anything. So this is the harness, which I will be replacing with the battery. But before we do that, we're going to actually plug it in and fully charge it, and we'll do another video on that. And let's just weigh it before we go any further. Hold on. I like pounds and ounces. So this is an unofficial.
1 pound, 24 ounces.
2.4 ounces.
2.4 ounces.
1 pound, 2.4. So that's not too bad. Okay, let me give you a close-up look at everything. This is the white version, not the orange or blue.
Orange?
Yeah, they have orange and blue strap ones. This is from Best
I
Buy.
never knew there was orange and blue.
Yeah, they just came out with them. They, I bought them. I bought the headset at Best Buy because I'm a, I don't know, super member. I pay a yearly fee and they warranty everything I buy from them for 2 years. So it's like a built-in. I don't need to buy an extended warranty on them. So that's why. No. Leave that in there because that's going to allow you to push it back in, please. So that it doesn't come out of your wrist, come off your wrist.
It can't come out because there's like a thing in the middle.
USB-C. And I guess the on and off here. Camera. The adjuster. Volume. I guess this is, for charging. Hold on 1 minute. This is for charging. I guess this is for an external charger, I'm assuming. Again, I'm new to this, so I'm assuming that. This is going to be the volume, camera. And again, I could be wrong. I don't know what that is there. And the 3 cameras in the front. So it's a little bit different than the Quest 2. Pretty nice, I like it. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna do another video on actually putting the Quest 2 battery on this to see if it'll work with this instead of having to buy a Quest 3 battery. The extended one, the one that Meta sells. Cool. All right, so this is a look at unboxing everything you get of the Quest 3. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is everything that comes inside if you're interested. And this here and these here, and that's all there is. Okay. Our kitty cat will be, I wonder if it'll fit her. We'll have to get a headset adapter for her to use the VR. Pretty cool. All right, that's everything.